Hi, this is Andrew from PineRidge Ford, continuing our How to Use Our Website series. I'm going to tell you today how to book your appointments in the service department online. So where you first start, you're at our website, which is PineRidge4.com. You click on Parts and Service, then under Service Center. From there, you click on where it says Book Your Appointment. This will take you to a separate link, and what this is our online booking system. So I'll walk you through both scenarios. First, we're going to start as if you were a returning customer. So put in your phone number. Alright, and then if there's more than one customer in our file that's based on that number, you then have to add your email address, and then it will clarify. So here, look here, we have all these different units. This is obviously the dealership. So we're going to choose this Chevy Malibu. Select this vehicle. And see here, and it gives you an estimated mileage based on last time it was here. And then you have two options. You can do quick lane or service department. We're going to start with quick lane, and then the next scenario I'll show you the repair shop. Now here I have options. I have Mount Ford tires, maintenance, service vehicle, which is your oil change and inspection and all that stuff, and then there's a flat repair. So we're going to choose maintenance. Choose that and go next, and then you have the option of I will drop off my vehicle. It's a waiter or a shuttle, so I'm going to click on I will drop off my vehicle and click next. Now this gives you the options of times that are available. It shows what's been already booked off, so you can see that there's a lot that are grayed out. And just going to show you quick here. So here's what the different transportation types mean. So drop off means you're going to choose this. You're going to throw your keys in the drop box or at the desk, and then go to work, and then we'll call you when it's done, and then you'll get taken it. Now waiter means you're sitting at the dealership and you're going to wait for your vehicle to be done. Shuttle means we're going to take you somewhere, and then drop off early bird means you'll put it in the drop box before work, and the night owl is when it's after hours. So just so you're aware what those mean. So we're going to choose at 9:30 a.m. on Monday, and go next, and then tell us a little about yourself, and then you can add some additional information. You can add text and from there. So that's how you book it online. Alright, now we're going to start from if you are a new customer. So this is where you pick your vehicle. We're going to pick it, it's a Ford. We're going to pick it, it is a 2017. And it gives you a list of options for vehicles. You're going to choose an Edge. Gives you approximate mileage based on a normal driving conditions. Then you click next, and we're going to pick service department this time. And so then this gives you a list of different types of diagnosis that we can do, because when you're booking online, you just book for diagnosis. So in here we're going to pick let's see, diagnose front suspension, and then we also are going to pick, let's do brake inspection too. So next, and then same questions as before. We're going to pick shuttle this time, and then when we get to there, this now opens up some different times available. So we're going to pick, because I don't want to get up early in the morning because I'm tired. And you notice that the numbers have changed, because that means there's already some things booked in the shop. So you click on, I'm going to pick 10 a.m. and then I'm going to go next, and you fill out your name. And then we write comments if you want there, and then you book appointment. And that's how you book an appointment on our website. This gives you the chance to book it at any time of the day or night, and it'll automatically go into our system so that our service department can get your work done. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.